Good morning, 8th grade. Welcome to Thursday, April 23. Our learning today is going to be understanding the relationship between tectonic plates, earthquakes, and volcanoes. We'll be using this interactive here to help us with today's learning. And the interactive looks like this: tectonic plates, earthquakes, and volcanoes. So we're just going to launch that right away. Okay? And so to understand the relationship between tectonic plates, earthquakes, and volcanoes, we're using the link. And so first we want to click the view box plate boundaries. What does that look like? It looks like this. See the view box, click on plate boundaries. Okay, so I click on plate boundaries, and then you see the change here. Okay, so the first question to review: plate boundaries are they pieces of the Earth's crust, or are they lines that show where two or more tectonic plates meet? And the key word here is plate boundaries. Okay, then in the next slide, you're going to look at the plate boundaries and earthquakes at the same time. And so describe the relationship between tectonic plates and earthquakes. Where do most earthquakes occur? So when I click on the earthquakes button, you're going to see all the earthquakes where most of them occur. When I click on it, boom, all these red dots show you where different earthquakes are. So I take it off, click it back on. Take it off, click it back on. Okay, and so what's the relationship between tectonic plates and earthquakes? Where do most earthquakes occur? Are they on random places of the Earth? Are they on plate boundaries? Are they near plate boundaries? Or both B and C are good answers, meaning they can be both on plate boundaries or near plate boundaries. The next relationship we'll look at is plate boundaries and volcanoes. So we'll take off earthquakes and look at volcanoes. Okay, take a look at where all the different volcanoes are located. Where are most of them located? Are the volcanoes and volcanic activity mostly on random places of the Earth? Are they on plate boundaries? Are they near plate boundaries? Or are they both on and near plate boundaries? Okay, that is for you to decide. Okay, and then our last question here is, you're making a prediction. Why do you think most volcanoes, volcanic activity happens on or near plate boundaries? Okay, since this is a prediction, you may not have the answer, but we're looking to find it. You might have to do a little research, but make your best guess. Why do you think most volcanoes and earthquakes occur on or near plate boundaries? Okay. As always, make sure you say here in today's assignment section, once you're done, there are 3 total questions. 1 prediction question, so a grand total of 4. That'll be today's learning. Hope you all have a fantastic day. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out via email or visit my office hours today from 12:30 to 1. Have a good day.